To replace the door control module, you will first need to remove the door panel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. With the panel off, you can access the control module indicated by the red arrow. On the one wiring connection, blue arrow, press in on the tab and pull the connection out from the module. On the other two connections, you will need to first pull out the red tab and then press down on the black tab, red arrow, to separate the connections. With the connections separated, push down on the top of the plastic tab, red arrow, close to the door carrier, and pull the top tab back and out from the door. You can then lift the module straight up and out from the door carrier. This image shows the two tabs on the back of the module, red arrows, and where they will sit in the carrier, blue arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.